Accessing ESPN Plus on Roku TV is simple and straightforward, allowing you to enjoy a variety of live sports, on-demand content, and exclusive programming. Whether you're a fan of football, basketball, UFC, college sports, ESPN Plus provides a rich library of games and shows right at your fingertips. However, to unlock the full potential, you'll need to follow a few steps to set it up on your Roku TV. Step 1. Ensure you have a Roku device or Roku TV. The first step is to confirm that you have a Roku device or a Roku-enabled TV. ESPN Plus is compatible with most Roku models, including Roku Express, Roku Streaming Stick, and Roku Ultra. If you already have a Roku device set up, ensure it is connected to the internet and updated to the latest software version. To check for updates, go to the settings menu on your Roku TV, select System, and then System Update. Step 2. Download the ESPN app. To access ESPN Plus, you'll need the ESPN app on your Roku TV. Start by navigating to the Roku home screen remote, and then from there, go to the streaming channel section and find the search option. Type ESPN in the search bar and select the ESPN app from the results. Once you've found it, add the channel to your Roku by selecting Add Channel. After the app has been installed, open it up to begin the setup process. Step 3. Activate the ESPN app. After installing the ESPN app, you'll need to activate it to access ESPN Plus content. Open the app on your Roku TV and navigate to the settings menu. Select account information and then choose login. An activation code will appear on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, visit ESPN/activate and enter the activation displayed on your TV. Log in with your ESPN account credentials to complete the process. If you don't already have an ESPN account, you'll be prompted to create one during activation. Step 4. Subscribe to ESPN Plus. To unlock premium content, make sure you have an active ESPN Plus subscription. If you aren't already subscribed, you can sign up directly through the ESPN app or by visiting the ESPN Plus website. Once your subscription is active, log in with your ESPN Plus credentials to access exclusive shows, live events, and more. Step 5. Access ESPN Plus content. Once your subscription is linked to your account, go to the ESPN Plus tab within the app. This section gives you access to live events, original shows, documentaries, and exclusive programming. Select the program or event that you want to watch, and you'll be streaming in no time. Step 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If you encounter any issues, start by checking your internet connection to ensure your Roku device has a stable connection for smooth streaming. If the app doesn't seem to work, you may need to update it by going to the system settings and checking for updates there. In some cases, reinstalling the app from the Roku channel store can resolve persistent problems.